It can be difficult at times. I think it only becomes more of a problem if you have an actual issue. Maybe you've common practice that a lot of us have as direct payment recipients is we'll have sickness or holiday leave, and sometimes we'll have difficulty getting that covered because you may not have enough staff on your number of people that you have to actually cover. So you can have problems that way, or you can, I've had one recently where it got extremely serious for me recently, and I actually went to disciplinary proceedings because I was having a member of staff actually not keeping to a contract over hours. Now those sorts of things are very rare, but if you've had contact with your support agency, in our case it's Pendrell's Trust in Wrexham, I spoke to them, and then I was dealing with Dowis, I think it's pronounced here. I'm dealing with them at the moment with a slightly different other subject. So as long as you've got somewhere to go to, you can actually move the steps on. I'm very grateful, like I say, I've been doing it for a long time now, since 2000 approximately, and a little before that on a pilot scheme. And I very rarely have major problems. Luckily enough, because I've employed my own staff, you get to know them as colleagues and friends, and my long-term member of staff who's with me at the moment has been with me 14 years this year. So there's a consistency and knowledge of what you're interested in, and you get to know their setup, and you tend to know there are wider family members, and you get like a network of friends through that, and that's where you gain from things.